Buyer showing activity fell 19.9% this past week, while home prices are up 13.3% week over week. It's Friday, July 12th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. More inventory continues to come to the market as days on the market before contract continue rising. There are 1,639 homes for sale this week, with another 108 expected on the market soon. 183 homes went under contract this report in 25 median days. 91 sold this past week at 99.2% list to sold ratio and also in 11 median days. Homes for rent rose to 74 at a median lease rate of $2,175 median per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, July 12th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.